Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are onto this platform this beautiful morning. We are talking about the founder and, of course, a publisher, in the mainstream media. Talking about Dave. Dave, we are looking at how renewed hope has actually failed. Some say that Tinubu has actually butchered the renewed hope. How true is that?
First and foremost, I will say that the answer is not far-fetched. Like every Nigerians have seen, have now come to the reality and to their senses that President Tinubu did not promise us anything, because it is only those in the public office that promise Nigerians that see, we will do a particular thing. That is where you can hold government, those in public office, accountable. Since President Tinubu said a million come, he never said he will create jobs. He never said he will bring in investors. He never promised to build infrastructure. What he only said that he will continue from where President Buhari stopped. And that alone shows that the president has taken that step. And Nigerians have seen where President Buhari has stopped. Now, it's even worse. Is worse off compared to President Buhari. President Buhari said that when he leaves office, Nigerians will miss him. Less than a week, President Tinubu will celebrate 1 year in office. 1 year of sorrow, 1 year of hardship, 1 year of inflicting pains on the average Nigerians.
1 year of butchered hope.
1 year of butchered hope. Now, the truth of the matter is that he said, renew hope. Where is the renew hope? Where is the renew hope? Is it a renew hope of hunger? Renew hope of unemployment? Renew hope of decayed infrastructure? Renew hope of depleting our foreign reserve? A renew hope that's battered economy. A renew hope of battered economy. A renew hope in which our refinery has not worked and then will not work. A renewed hope where the president is looking for a way to borrow funds from the pension funds.
Hey, wickedness.
A renewed hope where the president
to buy vehicles for senators. Oh God.
A renewed hope where the president is looking for a way to pay 48,000 minimum wage in the state of the economy. It shows that the President Tinubu is what is overrated. And they want to say that this is a man that said he will widen the tax spread and then he will reduce the purchasing power of every Nigerian. What does that tell you? It tells you that this is a government that has no economic policy for the country. It tells you this is a government that has no economic plan for the people. What see? Nigerians are cowards. If Nigerians are not cowards, at the top of the nation, every Nigerian ought to have trooped out to the streets to condemn government, to say, Tinubu, you must go. Nigeria has never been this bad. Nigeria has never been this worse in the history of the government. You saw it. Tinubu is busy sharing money to senators. He removed subsidy. When subsidy was removed, most Nigerians said that would help them increase the IGR of the government. It will help government to build more infrastructure. It will help government to help our economy grow. But how far now? Rather the money meant for subsidy is being in some individual pockets. Some persons are siphoning it. I tell them, see, the president has no plan for us. The way he runs Lagos, the way he's not ruling Nigeria. You cannot tell me that 1 year is enough. It's not enough for a government in power to turn the misfortunes around.
So what is he going to tell Nigerians now after 1 year?
Yaradua, when he came into office, he reduced the price of farm fuel. He reduced so many things. Nigerians felt the effect. The price of cooking gas, the price of kerosene. He didn't do it. He did that under just 3 months in office. But you, under a year in office, it has been from one taxation, from borrowing to another borrowing. Look at the Chagore Calabar Coastal Rail. After 8 years, are you sure that project? I bet you that project will not be completed in 16 years. Because that project did not come through the right source, not through the right bidding. He single-handedly gave that to his Lebanese friend. That's why I tell you that Tinubu is only overrated. Tinubu knows nothing about economic policy. He's just there to siphon public wealth.
What do you think he will tell Nigerians May 29? Because they are waiting.
I did not expect anything for him. It is so they expect things for him. They can listen to his propaganda and their lies. That is it. Because I have said in my mind, when he came on board, I did not expect anything from him. I know he will perform woefully. So I am not surprised. Just that I have been justified.
Thank you. God bless.